Okay, my dear students, today we are starting our class. As you know that today's topic is Holi. You have to speak on Holi. You have 3 minutes time each. So try to do your best. Focus करें, concentration रखें. होली का त्योहार हम हर साल मनाते हैं. We celebrate this festival every year. So सारी बातों को ध्यान में रख करके फोकस रखें, कंसंट्रेशन रखें, घबराए नहीं, आराम से तसल्ली से बोलने की कोशिश करें. Okay? Yes, come on, Shri.
Hello everyone, my name is Ritikesh Sharma. Today I tell you about Holi. There are so many festivals in India. The Holi is also one of them. It is celebrated in the memory of devotee Prahlad. It is celebrated by 2 days, for 2 days.
हाँ शाबाश बेटा, हाँ बोलते रहे, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, बोल.
First day is celebrated as Dhulandi and next day is first day is celebrated as Holi and next day is celebrated as Dhulandi. First day is celebrated Holi. On this day, Holi Dahan. On this day, people सर जलाने को क्या बोलते हैं?
Burn.
On this day, people burn Holika.
शाबाश बेटा, हाँ.
On in evening, people gather on crossroad, and people collect bush kites and etc. And woman worship and they worship by dung cakes. सर माला को क्या बोलते हैं?
Garland.
Dung cake, garland and deepak etc. After it they burn it, and after it youngers take blessings by elders, and on this day people make rice and dal etc. Next day is celebrated as Dhulandi. On this it is all on this day people put on old clothes, and on this day people are very happy. On this day people give blessings to each other. It is called also festival of colors. On this day people play with colors and apply the color to each other.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छा, very good.
Thank you sir.
Everything is very okay. Yes बेटा.
On this day people bring sweets, and sweets are made in homes also. And
30 seconds more. Yes.
Today this day people make kheer, pakode etc. And on this day some people drink wine and they quarrel. And Latmar Holi is famous, and it is played in Nandgaon, Barsana.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया, हाँ.
And Mathura. It is etc. It is played, and I like it so much. And we play Holi in front of my house, and there is a big playground near my house where gents gathered, and they play they play with high volume song, and they play volleyball, and they enjoy so much. And they also play with colors, and uh, they apply the color to each other. We also play with colors in front of my house.
टाइम इज ओवर बेटा, कितना बोलेगी?
Thank you, sir.
ओके बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बोला तूने, शाबाश,
Thank you, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया।
Thank you.
5 मिनट बोल गई तू,
Thank you, sir.
वेरी गुड बेटा, शाबाश बेटा, बस करते रहे प्रैक्टिस, है ना?
Okay, sir.
शाबाश बेटा। प्रीति,
Thank you, sir.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Preeti Agrawal. Today, our topic is Holi. Holi is the second biggest festival of Indians. It is celebrated by all religious people, and it comes in the Purnima of Fagun Mas. Mostly, it falls in the last of Feb or starting of March. Sorry, last of the March. And it is a festival of 2 days. Before many days ago of Holi, we make the few designs with cow dungs for making garland on Holi, for Holi. And when Holi comes, we make delicious foods at our house, and we don't buy new clothes on this day, and women keep fast on Choti Holi, and Choti Holi, which is the first day, women keep fast, and they go to the crossroads where they bring the garlands of the cow dungs, and they worship there, and on the crossroads goods are collected, and now the statues of Holika, which was the aunt of devotee Prahlad, because it is celebrated in memory of Prahlad, and who was very devotee of Lord Vishnu, and he did not follow his father because he was a devil, and he did not want that his son worship Lord Vishnu. So he called his sister Holika to burn his son in lap of Holika, because his sister Holika got this सर वरदान को क्या बोलेंगे? Boon, that if anybody will sit in her lap, so Holika will not burn, but that person or that thing will burn. But when Dhruv, the devotee Prahlad, sat in her lap, but Holika burnt, but the Prahlad did not burn. So we celebrate this festival every year on Choti Holi. After the keeping fast, the women, after worshipping there on crossroads, the women came back to their houses, and they worship the garland of cow dungs at their homes also. And after that, they break their fast, and at night the Holika on crossroads is burnt by the people. People gathered there, and there is an atmosphere of fair, and people bring a cow dung piece from there, and then they burn the Holika of their house. After they worship, and they bake the papads in their houses on that Holika, and they distribute the grains to their neighbors and their relatives. Next day, we celebrate the main festival, which is the Dulhandi. On this day, people go to their relatives, their friends, and they exchange sweets. And on this day, women make gunjia and
30 seconds more. Yes.
Pakoras on their houses, and the men and children go to their friends, and they apply colors to each others. They wish to each other happy Holi, and they the children play with balloons. They buy pichkari, they play with the pichkari, they throw the water with pichkari. The people who go out from their streets and they throw the balloons also, and we enjoy, we play music and we dance on this day. So people enjoy this day very much. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छा प्रीति.
Thank you, sir.
यस दृश्य.
Hello everyone, I am Drashya Agarwal. Today I am going to tell you about Diwali. Diwali is also a most
भैया होली.
Holi. Holi is also most important festival. It is always it is celebrated on Falgun Amavasya
पूर्णिमा.
Purnima in the in the last of the month March. Before a few days of Holi, we go to market and we buy pitchkaris, colors, balloons, etc. to play with them on Holi. We before one day of Holi, we hide all the things of our house so that do not get house of things of the house by a cloth so that do not get dirty by the color, and on the Holi is of 2 days. The Holi is celebrated for 2 days. Or the first day is known as Choti Diwali. On this day we wear new clothes, and Choti Holi. On this day we wear new clothes, and at the and women go at the crossroads and make the garland of dung cakes. They do the veneration of the 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 dung cakes, and they tie a thread around the dung cakes. Many dung cakes are gathered there. The After the thread is broken at the night, many people gather and fire that dung cakes where the dung cakes are gathered. That where the dung cakes are gathered, it is known as Holika, because it is burned because Holika get a boon that he Holika get a
गॉट.
होलिका got a सर चुन्नी को क्या बोलते हैं? चुन्नी को क्या बोलते हैं?
चुन्नी को स्कार्फ.
Holika got a scarf by the god. God her that scarf had a boon that if anyone will उसे कोई ओढ़ेगा तो so he will not burn from the fire, and that's why it is burned. Holika is burned. On the Badi Holi, we
30 seconds
that
more.
on the Badi Holi we wear white color clothes and we play with colors, and then we fill our pitchkaris with water. We eat sweets. We celebrate Holi with our family. We celebrate Holi with our family. It is a very important festival. We play with everyone. We throw balloons, which are filled with water on everyone. That's it.
ओके, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा कंसंट्रेशन रखा करो.
Okay, sir.
दिवाली को कहते हैं तो होली की बोलते हो, होली कहते हैं तो दिवाली बोलते हो, कहीं के कहीं पहुंच जाते हो. कंसंट्रेशन रखो बेटा थोड़ा सा, बाकी बढ़िया है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. यस वंश.
Hello friends, my name is Vansh Sharma from B8. Today's topic is Holi. All festivals are important and popular in India, but second most popular festival is Holi. Holi comes in March. It comes in on Falgun Purnima.
आराम से, आवाज बेटा ऐसे बोलता रहे बस, आराम से, घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी।
Holi is festival of colors.
हम्म
Holi celebrated.
होली इज
Holi
सेलिब्रेटेड।
Holi celebrated every place in India.
आराम से एक एक सेंटेंस को, एक एक वर्ड को ध्यान में रख के बोल, आराम से, कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं है, तसल्ली से बोल, टाइम की चिंता मत कर तू, और दे
It
दूंगा
is
तेरे को मैं। हाँ
it is celebrated 2 days.
हम्म
The first day we celebrated Holika Dahan.
वी सेलिब्रेट, टेंस का ध्यान रख
We
बेटा,
celebrate Holika Dahan.
आराम से बोल, कोई बात नहीं, टाइम और दे दूंगा, चिंता मत कर। हाँ
We celebrate Holika Dahan at 7 p.m.
हम्म
We put on new clothes in first day. And second day we celebrated
फिर सेलिब्रेटेड
Dulandi.
क्यों, सेलिब्रेट ही आएगा ना।
Celebrate. Celebrate Dulandi. We put on old clothes in second day.
हम्म
We we celebrated
फिर सेलिब्रेटेड,
Holi.
ध्यान रखो।
We celebrate Holi with friends and families.
शाबाश, ऐसे बोलता
Holi
रहे बस, आराम से, घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी। हाँ
हो, हो, होली होली मीठा में रहती है। होली इज नहीं, many sweets are made of holy
ऑन होली।
on holy.
हम्म
There there are many there are many colors play in holy. Colors with holy with pupils in holy.
पीपल प्ले विद कलर्स ऑन होली।
With colors in holy. We celebrate Holi. I like Holi. That's it.
ओके वेरी गुड, 2 मिनट में पूरा कर दिया, टाइम और भी था अभी आपके पास, बहुत टाइम की चिंता मत किया कर तू, है ना। अच्छा बोला, ऐसे ही बोला कर बस, घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है। काफी अच्छा बोला है आज तूने। यस हर्षित।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit, and I'm the student of B.A. Ramban Online Interactive Classes. As you all know that today's our topic is Holi. Holi is a very important festival in our life because it is the festival of colors. Holi is not celebrated. Holi is celebrated by Hindus and Muslims because it is the festival of love. And it is celebrated for 2 days. First day Holi is celebrated and second day Dhulandi is celebrated. First day we wear new clothes and make some sweets in our houses, which and in the evening we burn the holika and we keep the dung cakes of cow in the holika. It is celebrated in the memory of devotee Prahlad. Because when the wise king Hiranyakashyap was sir राज करने को क्या बोलेंगे?
हिरण्यकश्यप रूल्ड।
When Hiranyakashyap ruled, so he thought that he is the god, and his son Prahlad couldn't understand it, and he did the prayer of Lord God Vishnu. Hiranyakashyap doesn't.
फास्ट में आएगा ना बेटा, डिडंट।
Yes, sir. Hiranyakashyap got angry and he told.
Got angry. Angry नहीं, angry.
Okay. He got angry and he told his sister to take the Prahlad and sit in the fire. Because the sister of Hiranyakashyap Holika was get a boon that she will
was
not
got a boon. Was got नहीं, got a boon.
got a boon that she will not be burned in the fire. But the Holika burned and the Prahlad saved. So on this day, people burned the Holika. Next day, Dhulandi is celebrated. That day, people wear old clothes and
play Holi with their friends and family members and exchange the greetings with their neighbors.
Hmm.
That day, some people drinks and quarreling with each other. They run here and there by the bicycles, and if anybody is going on the road, so they sir color फेंकना
Throw colors.
throw colors on him on them. So that's why we celebrate Holi. That's all.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया।
Thank you.
थोड़ा सा और ध्यान रखें बेटा, है ना,
Okay, sir.
घबराया मत करो बिल्कुल भी।
Okay,
थॉट्स
sir.
अपने पकड़ के रखा करो बेटा, और है ना, और बिल्कुल घबराया मत करो, बिल्कुल घबराना नहीं। इजी सेंटेंस से सोचा करो मन में और उनको ट्रांसलेट करने की कोशिश किया करो बस। अच्छा कर रहे हो आप, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है ना। ओके ना, यस नाउ अशफाक।
Yes. Hello everyone, my name is Ishfaq Khan. I am the student of Ramban English Online Tutorial classes. Today our topic is Holi. There are many festivals in our country, but our country, Holi is also most important festival for us. Mm, this is the festival of colors. It's celebrated
इट
for
इज
2 days.
सेलिब्रेटेड, ध्यान से, जल्दबाजी नहीं, सेंटेंस को ढंग से फ्रेम करो। हाँ,
It is celebrated for 2 days. First day is celebrated as Holi, and second day is celebrated as Dhulandi. First day, Dhulandi. Mm, oh. On that day we play Holi with colors in front of our houses, and this is oh, this is relative. mm, This day is related by Bhakt Prahlad.
टू, रिलेटेड टू।
Bhakt Prahlad.
हाँ ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, बस ऐसे आराम से बोले जाओ, कंसंट्रेशन रखो, फोकस करते रहो और आराम से बोले जाओ, घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी। हाँ,
वो Bhakt Prahlad was Bhakt of Vishnu, but his father didn't like it. His father tried to kill him, but he not succeeded.
he did not succeed, yeah, he was not successful.
He was not successful. Mm. It's celebrated in Purnima of Falgun Mas. And first day we celebrate as Holi. On that day people burn Holi on the crossroads, and second day is celebrated as Dhulandi. On that day we put on old clothes, and we go to our रिश्तेदारों क्या बोलते हैं,
रिलेटिव्स।
we go to our relatives homes, and we wish to each other happy Holi, and we apply color to each other, and we play Holi with colors, and children also play Holi with pichkari, water balloons, and colors, and we make sweets on that day. Some people drink wine on that day, and they quarrel on that day, but this is not right. Because it is our main festival. On that day, we should not quarrel. So on that day we that's it, sir.
वेरी गुड अशफाक, बहुत अच्छा। ऐसे कोशिश किया करो, कंसिस्टेंसी रखो,
Yes,
है ना, ये नहीं कि ऐसे बस अपने मन के थॉट्स आते जाए, उनको ट्रांसलेट करते जाओ और बोलते जाओ बस, और क्या है। समझ गए ना आप, एक बार पक्का आप सिस्टम बन जाएगा ना माइंड में, फिर कहीं दिक्कत नहीं आएगी। काफी अच्छा किया आज तुमने, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा। यस स्वानी।
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Suhani, and today is our topic is Holi.
आराम से बोलना, बिल्कुल घबराना
And
मत, तसल्ली से. हाँ.
okay, sir.
हम्म.
Okay, sir. Today I'm going to tell you about Holi. Holi is the most popular festival of India, and it is also called Colors of Festivals.
Festival of Colors.
Festival of Colors. And it is come every year.
It comes.
It comes every year.
थोड़ा सा ध्यान से शब्दों को यूज करते समय थोड़ा ध्यान रखो क्या बोल रहे हैं. अच्छा, थोड़ा धीरे बोलो, कोई बात नहीं है.
It comes every year.
हाँ.
It celebrated. It is celebrated on Falgun Mas Purnima, and it is very good festival. And it is most popular. It is most popular festival in India also.
Very good. तसल्ली से बोलो. आप एक एक शब्द को ध्यान से जरा. एक बार सिस्टम बन जाएगा माइंड में, फिर प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी बेटा. बोलो.
It is celebrate 2 days.
Celebrated.
It's celebrated 2 days.
हाँ.
First of all, I tell you about Holi, and second is Dhulandi. First, Holi is a very popular festival in India, and it is celebrated in memory of devotee Prahlad.
फिर celebrate बोला आपने. celebrated.
Celebrated.
ध्यान रखो ना थोड़ा सा वर्ब का. हाँ.
Okay, sir. It is celebrated in memory of devotee Prahlad. In night, people सर ढेर लगाने को क्या कहेंगे?
People make the heap.
The people make a heap of dung cakes and fire them and worship them. And it is very good festival, and it is very religious festival also. Second day is Dhulandi, and people play with colors in their homes and roads and streets also.
Very good.
And people wear old clothes because new clothes is dirty in this festival.
Become is नहीं, होते नहीं है, हो जाते हैं. Become dirty.
Become dirty in this festival. People play with colors. People apply colors to each other and their relatives. People exchange happiness and sweets, gifts also of their relatives. With their relatives.
With their relatives. Shabash.
With their relatives and their friends. And they play with colors.
30 seconds more.
Okay, sir. They enjoy with colors. They purchase gulal and many things in this festival. And
on this festival.
People make gujia on this festival. And eat in their homes. And exchange to their relatives and friends. People joy in this festival.
Enjoy.
That's all, sir. Enjoy in this festival. That's all, sir.
Very good. बेटा और थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखो. थोड़ी सी प्रैक्टिस करो. पैराग्राफ वगैरह लिख रहे हो नहीं लिख रहे हो?
सर लिख रहे हैं.
और रिकॉर्डिंग?
सर रिकॉर्डिंग सर आज से शुरू कर देंगे सर.
बिल्कुल कर दो. या आज करते करते कितना टाइम हो गया? फिर किस दिन डांट खाओगे मेरे से तुम?
सर अब भी क्लास के बाद ही बना दूंगी सर एक.
हाँ, रोजाना रखो आप अपना. ऐसा देखो, श्री को देखो आप. श्री की रिकॉर्डिंग में डाल दूंगा. अभी सुन लेना आप सारे लोग. ग्रुप में डाल दूंगा. मैं सोच भी रहा था दोपहर में, फिर मैं भूल गया. श्री की रिकॉर्डिंग में डालूंगा. ग्रुप में सुन लेना सारे सारे. कितना अच्छा कर रही है. अभी भी आपके सामने देख ही रहे हो आप. शी इज डूइंग हर प्रैक्टिस कंसिस्टेंटली. बहुत जरूरी है. कोशिश करो बेटा, है ना? हाँ चलो. यस विनय मैडम.
Good evening, everyone. Today I am telling you about Holi. We are celebrate. So many.
क्यों?
We celebrate. We celebrate so many festivals, and is one of them. And it is the festival of 2 days. Holi is festival of color it is celebrated very great joy and happiness. And it is celebrated in the month of Fagun in Hindu, according to Hindu calendar. It is very colorful festival. On this festival, people throw dry color and water each other, and they celebrate it by greeting each other and share sweets. On this festival, this festival is celebrated in the memory of devotee Prahlad. He was a great follower of Vishnu. But on the other hand, his father always did disrespect of Vishnu. So that's why he did not follow his father's rule, and he became angry. Always his father became angry to him. We celebrate first day as a main Holi. On this day, people make a big heap of cow cakes and Holika kept on it. On the
Holika
road,
is capped on it.
Holika is kept on it.
वर्ब
On the
फॉर्म का
road.
ध्यान रखो आप. हाँ,
जी. Women keep fast on this day, and people make sweets on this day, and make mostly gujia. Gujia is considered main sweet of this festival. And second day we celebrate as a Dulhedi. On this day, people wear old cloth and visit to their relatives and friends, and greet them and apply the dry color and play Holi with them. Some people organize social gathering in which people come in a new clothes and they meet each other, they talk each other, they greet each other, and they do dance, sing a song, and this create a very pleasant माहौल का क्या बोलेंगे सर?
environment. It creates very pleasant environment. हाँ.
It's create a very pleasant environment. After Holi, after this festival, all roads and streets become colorful, and it look like so beautiful. And this is the Holi. Actually, Holi starts within 15 days. It is the mainly festival of Mathura, Vrindavan, Gokul, Barsana. And
30 seconds more. Yes.
There is it is divided per day. It is divided some days, like this day Holi is played Vrindavan, this day Holi is played in Mathura, and this day in Barsana, and this day in Gokul. And Holi is played. Holi is a very great festival which brings lots of happiness. That's
Okay, very good. मैडम वैसे तो सब ठीक आ रहा है, आपका पहले से इम्प्रूवमेंट है काफी.
नहीं सर, मुझे नहीं लग रहा है अभी.
नहीं, ये तो नहीं लग रहा. आप नेगेटिव रहोगे तो जिंदगी में कभी भी नहीं आएगा. आप थोड़ा सा वर्ब फॉर्म का ध्यान रखें.
जी.
अच्छी बात है कि अपनी कमियां अपन देखें, लेकिन इतना भी अच्छा नहीं है कि अपन कुछ अच्छा कर रहे हैं तो उसको माने ही नहीं, है ना?
नहीं ठीक है सर, वो आपका जजमेंट है, वो अपने हिसाब से फिर ये लगता है कि
आप सुन ही रहे हो, अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग आप देख ही रहे हो.
हाँ सर, हाँ सुन रही
और जो कमियां है वो मैं बता ही रहा हूँ आपको कि आप अपना वर्ब फॉर्म पे बहुत ज्यादा फोकस करें. आप जो गलतियां कर रहे हैं ना वो वर्ब फॉर्म में कर रहे हैं. बाकी तो नेचुरल स्पीकिंग आ रही है, अब नेचुरल स्पीकिंग आप आ रही है अब आपकी, पर थोड़ा सा अपने अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस तो रखना ही पड़ेगा आपको. और हम अगर कुछ अच्छा कर रहे हैं तो ये भी मानना पड़ेगा कि हाँ, हम पहले से अच्छा कर रहे हैं. अगर ऐसा हम नहीं रखेंगे तो हम कभी इम्प्रूव कर ही नहीं पाएंगे.
जी,
है ना? बाकी ठीक है, मैंने बता दिया आपको थोड़ा सा जो ध्यान रखना है ना.
जी.
ओके, नाउ अंजलि कम.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. Today my topic Holi. Holi is one of the major festival of Hindus. Holi is famous festival of India. It is a festival of colors.
हाँ.
Holi is 2 days of festival.
2 days festival.
Yes, sir. On first day night we do Holika, then on the last day people play with color.
all people apply color on each other.
Hmm.
People use natural color for this festival.
Hmm. Hmm.
Holi is celebrated every year in the month of Phagun.
Hmm. Hmm.
On this day, all eat cooked food item like gunjia, papad, dahi vade,
Hmm.
etc.
Hmm. Hmm.
On this day,
क्या हुआ?
Holi symbolizes the victory of good over evil.
Hmm.
That's it, sir.
क्या हो गया आज तुम्हारे को? हम्म?
Sir, thoughts ही नहीं आ रहे.
ओ, इतना सब सुनने के बाद भी. चल, कोई बात नहीं. अच्छा बोलती है, आज क्या हो गया पता नहीं तेरे को. चल, कोई बात नहीं बेटा, है ना? कभी कभी होता है. यस, सिमरन.
Hello everyone. Today our topic is about Holi. Holi is known as the festival of colors. It is one of the most important festival in India. It is celebrated in the month
सेलिब्रेटेड,
of March.
वर्ब फॉर्म का ध्यान रखो.
It is celebrated in the month of March. It is celebrated with colors and dishes.
आराम से बोलो, बिल्कुल घबराओ मत. वर्ब फॉर्म का ध्यान रखो. हाँ.
First day, it is celebrated in 2 days. First day is called.
हाँ, for 2 days. हाँ.
First day is called Holi. On this day, people take fast.
People have
and
fast. या people
people
keep
have-
fast. या people keep fast.
Okay, people keep fast, and in evening they burn the holika with together.
विद की जरूरत नहीं है. टुगेदर.
Okay, with together, and the next day is called Dulandi, and it is the most colorful day. On this day, people get up early in the morning and do worship to God, and then they dress up in white color, and then they go to play Holi with others. They play with colors, and children play with waters, and they rub color on each other faces.
शाबाश.
And on this day, a special people drink a special drink. It is called bhang, and women make gunji and many sweets on this day. And in evening, people get bath and ready for worship. And they in evening, in every house, women make delicious food, and everyone enjoy this festival. Mostly children like this festival, and that's it.
वेरी गुड. थोड़ा सा और ध्यान रखना है ना?
Okay.
शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड. यस, मोना.
Hello everyone, my name is Mona Mehta. Today my topic is there are many festivals, but Holi is also important festival of Hindu.
Purnima, your mic is open. I know.
बंद करो ना इसको. ये लो. हाँ यस,
वापस से स्टार्ट करूं?
हाँ वापस से स्टार्ट कर दे.
Hello everyone, my name is Mona Amina. Today I'm telling about Holi. There are many festivals, but Holi is also an important festival of Hindu. It comes end of the spring season. Spring season. It is also called Festival of Colors. Festival of Colors, or it is celebrated Falgun. It is celebrated Falgun.
On Falgun Purnima.
Falgun Purnima.
कोशिश कर.
हाँ. It is celebrated in memory of Lord, memory of Bhakt Prahlad.
हाँ चेतना बोलो.
It is celebrated 2 days. First day, people put on new clothes and purchase sweets and other things.
हाँ.
Sir,
Second day, sorry.
घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी. हाँ.
Second day, Dhulandi. Dhulandi celebrate. People celebrate Dhulandi. People puts on old clothes. And play with colors and gulal. That's it.
ओके बेटा, एक काम करो आप. क्या नाम है तुम्हारा? मोना.
यस सर.
सुबह 6 से 7 के बीच में फोन करके दोबारा से अपना सेल्फ प्रैक्टिस चालू करो आप.
ओके सर.
ठीक है बेटा, कोई भी टॉपिक पे लिख के और मेरे को चेक करवाओ आप सुबह. ठीक है बेटा?
यस सर.
कल से चालू करो आप.
यस सर.
हाँ बेटा, कल से चालू कर बेटा. 10-15 दिन में वापस तेरा रूटीन आ जाएगा, है ना? हाँ तो थोड़े दिन कर ले बेटा दोबारा से, है ना? टॉपिक पे लिखो और मुझे सुनाओ बेटा लिख करके. ठीक है
सर? सेंड करना है ना?
नहीं सेंड नहीं करने, सुनाओगे आप मुझे फोन करके, जैसे पहले सुनाते थे ना आप मुझे.
यस सर.
ऐसे सुबह 6 से 7 के बीच में. ओके बेटा?
यस सर.
हाँ चलिए. ओके. यस पूर्णिमा.
हाँ जी सर.
यस.
Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to tell you about festival of Holi. Holi is known as the festival of colors. It is one of the most important festival in India. Holi is celebrated each year with enthusiasm. With the enthusiasm in the month of March by Hindu followers.
Very good.
Those who celebrate the festival, they wait for it every year eagerly. To play. Eagerly to play with colors and have delicious dishes. Holi is about celebrating happiness with the family, with your neighbor. Forget their troubles, all worries. On this occasion, Holi is called the festival of colors because people play with colors and apply them to each other's faces to get colored.
Hmm.
The Hindu religion believes there was a devil king named he had a son and a sister Holika. The king had blessings of Lord Brahma. This blessings meant no man, animal, or weapon could kill him. This blessings turned into a curse for him, as he became very arrogant, ordered his kingdom his to worship him instead of and their kingdom they follow their instructions. All the people begin worshipping him except his son. Prahlad refused to worship his father instead of
30
God.
seconds more.
Okay, sir. So that he's angry on Prahlad. People celebrate Holi with
बोलो.
especially in North India. One day before Holi, that the river god river. Second day, we all apply colors and springs each other, and mostly children like this festival most very much because they run around with the Pachkari. In the evening, they bath and dress up nicely to visit their friends and family. They dance throughout the day and drink a special drink called bhang. People of all ages enjoy this festival. In short, Holi spread love, brotherhood. It brings harmony and happiness in the country. Holi is symbol of brotherhood and
आवाज कहाँ गई?
love. Holi is the symbol of brotherhoodness and love. It's a very colorful festival, and
10 seconds more.
We all love Holi and waiting for this festival very eagerly. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
That's it.
Very good. अच्छा है पूर्णिमा, अब तो काफी ठीक
Thank
होता
you,
जा
sir.
रहा है आपका, पर आपकी आवाज जो है ना वो गड़बड़ हो गई, हम पूरा सुन नहीं
सर
पाए.
मुझे
हैं?
सुनाई नहीं रही थी कि आ ही नहीं रही थी.
आ रही थी पर बहुत ज्यादा डिस्टर्ब हो रही थी बीच बीच में आवाज. आ तो रही थी पर कम आ रही थी, कभी बीच में रुक जाती थी, कभी कटने लग जाती थी, तो वो थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ था, है ना. बाकी ठीक था आपका.